Who is ready for peanut butter munchie mix? Oh my goodness, it's so crunchy, it's delicious, it's a little bit addictive, and it's super easy to make. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Yum, yum, yum. Let me tell you, I made several batches around Christmas time. I was gonna share the recipe around the holidays, and then it didn't happen that way. And I ate all the batches of this munchie mix that I made, we ate it so fast. It's really good. It's a little bit addictive, so warning, you might want to eat it all too quickly. Hide some of it on yourself. All right. And really, really simple. You know, I like simple recipes. No gadgets required, just some mixing bowls and the oven. So I've got the oven preheating right now to 325. Okay, so let's start with the dry ingredients. Now I've got some vegan and gluten-free pretzels here. Of course you can use any pretzels if you want. They can be regular if that's what you have access to and that's what you're fine eating. So those are going into the bowl. They're nice and crunchy. I have some coconut flakes here going in. That's gonna give some nice texture. And when coconut flakes are toasted up, oh my gosh, they are delicious. They're super crunchy, and the natural sugars come out of the coconut, and it's just delicious. Now here I have some mixed nuts. So here's where you can add any nuts that you already have at home. So I have a combination of raw almonds, I've got roasted peanuts, I have raw cashews, and some walnuts. So those are all going in. And you definitely want to have the peanuts in there because it is a peanut butter munchie mix. So I think the peanuts really add. But you can leave the peanut butter or the peanuts out. We're still going to be adding peanut butter. Now I'm going to add some Alligga hemp cores, hemp hearts. And where's my, do you guys like my pink measuring cup? Yes, so you can see this is packed with nutrition already. We're having all the healthy fats, proteins. I'm doing 1/4 cup. Yeah, so this is actually really healthy. And then a little bit of pumpkin seeds in there. So you can mix and match your seeds. All right. So pumpkin and hemp for me today. And a bit of coconut sugar going in. All right. Let's stir this up. This is my dry mix. You're gonna just see how crazy easy this is. And I hope you go and make a batch literally right after this. The only thing I'm thinking you might not have on hand is the pretzels. So go out and get them. All right, over here, second bowl, I'm going to do my wet ingredients. Okay, so I have some maple syrup, that's a sweetener. And you know, maple syrup is so great because it's full of minerals. So it's an amazing sweetener to use. All those minerals. You know, I've actually gone and tapped a maple tree before. And I drank the water straight from the maple tree. It was awesome. It doesn't taste anything like maple syrup. Because they have to boil it and boil it and boil it and boil it just to get that sweetness out of it, right? They've got to reduce it. Okay, peanut butter going in next. Just some natural peanut butter. And this can be either salted or unsalted. If you choose salted, then omit the salt in the recipe. Okay, let's get it all out of there. Oh, and I have to go and grab the coconut oil. So I've just got this melting, my coconut oil melting on the stove over here. All right, it's getting nice and warm. And need just a little bit of this. Okay. Who's gonna make it? Who's gonna give it a try? I think you've already seen the photos. Let me tell you. How many times do I say this? You're gonna love it. All right, now salt. Salt is always really important. I forgot to add this to the dry, so I'm just adding a good generous 2 generous pinches in there. I'm gonna grab my little whisk. Here we go, my whisk, and I'm just gonna, here, let's move this out of the way. Let's move these things, make some space in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna whisk this mixture together. How's everyone doing today? It's been a pretty good day over here, I have to say. All right. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Just like that. And take a little taste of this because this is really yummy all on its own as well. Okay, now I'm going to just pour this into here. Woo! There we go. Yummy, yummy. And I know I'm going to get this question, can you use other nut butters? Because I know some people can't do peanuts. And the answer is yes, of course. You can do almond butter. You can make this totally nut-free, and you can do sunflower seed butter. You can do tahini. You can do pumpkin seed butter. You can do hemp seed butter. You can literally take these hemp seeds and blend them down and make hemp seed butter. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix this all together. So yeah, you have lots of options here. Don't have maple syrup or you wanna use something else, you can use coconut nectar. You can use honey. If you are not a vegan, you can go ahead and use honey. Make sure it's nice and warm and runny when you use it. Oh, look at this. A puppy chow, kind of like puppy chow. Yes. Yeah, kind of like that. Totally. Like a healthy version of the puppy chow. Okay, so I just want to show you this yummy mixture right here. Ooh, baby. So you really want to make sure that everything is coated on here, okay? So now I'm just going to grab my pan. Just clear my space. Oh, that's the oven. Okay, 325. I have my parchment paper lined tray here. Hello, I'm thanking you and waving back for all the waves. Okay, so you want to make sure you've got your parchment lined tray, otherwise it's going to get stuck on the tray. So we just do this, get it all out of the bottom, just like that. Take a little, okay, I'll take a little bit after. Doesn't matter, it's just me and Normie going to be eating this, so I can lick the spoon. And then you're just going to spread it out. Okay? Just like this. So kind of a, a nice flat layer here. All right. Get it going. There we go. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And then pop it in the oven. Here we go. Middle rack. Okay. So that is gonna go, that's gonna go for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna check it. But all ovens are a little bit different. So if your oven's like really on the hot side, check it after 12 to 13 minutes, and then you're gonna stir it, and then you're gonna cook it a little bit longer for another 10 minutes or so. So I wanna show you how the stuff kind of clumps around the pretzels like this. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, so yummy. Here's a nice big walnut, and there's like a big coconut flake on the back, and it's all just yummy and delicious. I better go in, have some, right? Can you hear the crunch? Oh yeah. The other thing you can do is, when it's on the tray, you can drizzle some chocolate over top of it. You can make it extra decadent. Right, so give that a whirl. So good. Wow. And you saw how healthy it is. We got all these seeds, coconut, all the good stuff. I can taste that pinch of salt in there. And let me tell you, this is really, really good on top of vanilla ice cream. And you can put it on top of smoothie bowls and all that jazz. Or literally just straight up. And thank you to Alligga for sponsoring today's recipe video. Go check out their amazing products. They also have ground flax seeds. I love their products, and they have flax oil that you can actually cook with. So most flax oil you cannot, but theirs is specially formulated so that you can heat it. And I think that's all, everyone. Wow, see, that was so quick and easy. I got my munchie mix in the oven, but I need to make dinner before I get munching away on the sweet stuff. So I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Mwah. Lots of love.